Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to Market IQ. This is a place to enhance your skills and acquire knowledge about the markets. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the Harshad Mehta scam 1992. Who is Harshad Mehta and what is his scam? Why he was in limelight nearly after 3 decades? Harshad Shantilal Mehta was his full name. He was born on 29 July 1954 in Gujarat. He was often called as Amitabh Bachchan of stock market in 1980s. He was in limelight now because of his web series Scam 1992. He was worked as a salesman in New India Assurance Company Limited. Later, his interest moved in the stock market because of his neighbors earning good profits from the stock market. He quit his job and joined as a jobber in a firm named Harjivan Das Nimidas Securities. A jobber is a mediator between the buyer and the seller, which is now happening through electronic media only. While working as a jobber, the particular group of persons are buying a specific stocks or whatever rate and whatever quantity. So Harshad Mehta, this made Harshad Mehta to think that why they are buying at whatever rate and many quantities. So he started reading newspapers and he saw that company was posting a results and the stock rallies. This made Harshad Mehta to think that what if I know the news early and invest early and earn profits? He thought that if he was there, he would remain only with the penny amount in his hands. So dealings. Slowly he started making dealing with the company officials, that whatever maybe the company's information, maybe the positive information or the negative information, the first it should be reached to me so that I can sell the shares or buy the shares, so that at the end of the day, whenever these news is going to announce, we can book some profits and some percentage of profits will be given to you. So this is the deal happening at that time. Over a period of time, it was happened like that. Harshad Mehta invested first and the stock rallies and the news next. Statements now. Up to now, it was okay. Harshad Mehta got huge fame and respect. He was bored with his routine things and he knows that outcome of the event. He thought, why shouldn't I make a statement and move the markets so he should not depend on market results? For such statements like ACC company was undervalued and it is not at its price, and the price rallied from 200 to 9,000 over a period of 3 months. Harshad Mehta moving to money market from share market. As Harshad Mehta was sensation at that time, he attended a party and he was ignored by a person. He got to know by his friend that he was dealing with the money market and came to know that dealings were far more than the share markets. With his name and fame, Harshad Mehta deals with many banking officials and arranged a meeting and then entered into the money market. So what is money market? Rising money by selling government securities for the short term. Suppose if you consider the example, the below scenario, bank A wants to raise money by selling government securities. So what will the bank A do? The bank A will not go directly to the bank B because there is an issue of trust. Bank B don't have trust on bank A. So what the bank B does? Bank A does, he will give his securities to Harshad Mehta, who is acting as a mediator between the two banks, and he will take the securities to the bank B, and the bank B transfers the money to the Harshad Mehta. And what does here the scam comes? What does Harshad Mehta do here? Whenever the bank B money transferred to the Harshad Mehta will directly dump this money into the stock market. So whenever the bank A asks money over a period of time, so what does Harshad Mehta do? Harshad Mehta is having some known officials in bank C, and he generate the fake bank receipts from bank C, and he will take the bank C's receipt to the bank D, and The bank D will transfer to Harshad Mehta's account. So Harshad Mehta, what will Harshad Mehta do? Then he will settle that amount to the bank A. In that way, many dealings were happening in the money market. The turning point. A hint given by a person to Sucheta Dalal, and she published an article about happening. ED, CBS are in continuous interrogation with the bank official and Mehta, and came to know that Mehta is having a strong connection with this scam and was arrested. We often hearing the name about the Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and Radhakrishna Damani. They were in beer troops, and the big bull was Harshad Mehta. If the information was not leaked by the Suchita Dalal and the Harshad Mehta continued for few days, we could not have heard the names of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and Radhakrishna Damani today. Harshad Mehta was died on 31st December 2001 by cardiac arrest or heart attack. So this is the basic information of the Harshad Mehta. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for the latest information. Thank you.